We're now early. Oh, we are? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so it was, we were miscalculating the time. We can't get onto Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway for another hour, so it is like scorching hot. We're in the Walt Disney Presents exhibit hall, and we're just literally just chilling out here, hiding out of the sun. We're just like, how far can we stay in here without getting kicked out? Today is absolutely bonkers right now. In Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, 115-minute wait. It is a Saturday, so yeah, I mean, it is what it is. That's what it is. But Genie Plus on a day like today, very much well worth it if you can swing it. The newly released Palpatine lightsaber, and it is heavy. It is like very heavy.
That's because it's the only one with a rechargeable.
It has a rechargeable port on this thing. Disney, take my money. The time has come to get captured by the First Order. Not only to get captured, but to escape the First Order. And then, we're gonna get captured again. And we're gonna escape the First Order for a second time. Because we're gonna use a lightning lane pass, and then we're gonna go on standby. So, the next like 3.5 hours is all about Rise of Resistance.
What does this button do? I wouldn't touch it. Try touching it. What does this button do? Which one of these buttons calls Poe Dameron?
Down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu.
Well, we did it. We rode Rise of the Resistance.
Yeah.
Twice. Yeah. Not once, twice.